students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have a new lesson. It's called Converting Customer Units. So let's start. I have here the question will come like this. Convert 5,720 yards into miles. We tell ourselves a question, first of all. Yards is greater than as a unit than miles or not? Is yard as a unit is greater than mile or not? Of course not. Yard is smaller than here the mile. So as a unit, so the smaller unit can't multiply. We do what to convert the yard into mile? We divide. We divide. So I'm going to divide what? He asks me in the question to use the fact that it's given here because we don't have to memorize this. Use the fact that 1 mile equal 1,760 yards. So I will do what, guys? I will divide here when I want to convert the yards into miles. I will divide here 5,720 divided by the unit he gives to me, which is 1,760. Okay, so how can we do so? Let's figure out together. First of all, I want to simplify. Simplify means what, guys? Means divided. We have here 0 and 0. So we're going to divide here by what, guys? By 10. And what else? Just 10? Okay, let's start by 10. So it would be here 572 and 1,700 and here 176. Okay, to cancel 0 with 0 or divided by 10, divided by 10. Okay, I have here 572 and I have here what? And I have here 6. Both are divisible by what? What do you think here? By 2. Let's start by 2. So 5 here divided 2 gives me 2 and we have extra 1. 17 divided 2, it's what? It's 8 and we have extra 1. 12 divided 2, it's 6 all over. 17 divided 2 gives me 8 and we have 1. 16 divided 2 equals what? The same 8. So I have here 286 over what? Over 88. Do we have here common? Yeah. Then divided 2 and divided 2 again. So I have here 2 divided 2 gives me 1. 8 divided 2 gives me 4. 6 divided 2 gives me 3. And I have here divided 2, 44. Okay. So I have here what, guys? 143 and I have 44. Okay. Divided by what and divided by what? Divided by here 4 gives me, divided by 11 gives me 4, divided by 11 gives me here what? Gives me 13. So I have here 13 over 4 miles, and so you have here the numerator greater than the denominator, so convert it into what? Let's move this, convert it into here mixed, so this will be 3 and quarter. This will be 3 and quarter. Okay, if I have here another question, he asks me find the sum or difference of, first of all, 7 gallons and 3 quarts, and then plus what? 7 gallons and 2 quarts. It's very easy. We're going to add first the quarts here. 3 quarts and 2 quarts gives me 5 quarts. And I have here 7 gallons and 7 gallons, 14 gallons. Remember, 5 quarts, I have how many here? How many gallons in the 5 quarts? As we know that 4 quarts it's the same as 1 gallon. So we have here 1 gallon in the 5 quarts. I have what, guys? 1 gallon plus what? Plus 1 extra quart. Okay, so I have here 51 gallon. We have here 1 gallon and 14 gallons, so it will be 15. Yes, 15 gallons. And how many carts now? 1 cart. It's easy like this. Okay, guys, this one is also easy. If I ask you to subtract 4 gallons, 3 carts from 6 gallons and 1 cart. Remember well, we have here 1 cart and 3 cart. How can I subtract 3 carts from 1 cart? So I'm going to change something here, which is 6 gallons instead of 6 gallons and 1 cart. Let it be what? Let it be 5 gallons. Change 1 gallon from here, just 1 gallon to into how many carts? 4 carts. Why? To get here 5 carts and 4 gallons. Okay, so I can subtract 4 gallons from 5. 4, I can subtract 5, I can subtract 3 carts from 5 carts. Let's see together what we are talking about. When I say 6 gallons, it will be 5 gallons. We took 1 gallon which is equal to 4 carts. So here instead of 6 gallons we took 1, so it became now 5 gallons. And I have here how many carts? This 1 cart I added on that one 4 carts. So I have here what, guys? So I have here now 5 gallons and what? And 5 carts. We added here 4 carts and we took from here 1 gallon. It became 5 gallons. So I can now subtract easily. 3 carts, okay, minus 5 carts gives me 2 carts, and here 4 minus 5 gallons, 1 gallon. So the difference will be 1 gallon and 2 carts. Here he asks me to complete the sentence. Remember, if I have here 7 third yards, I want to convert it into how many feet? What should I do? I know that the yard has how many feet? 3, right? So I'm going to multiply here 7 third multiply 3. So it will be what? Here I want to convert. Okay, 3 times 1, 21, and 1, 22 over 3, multiply 3. So 3 will go with 3, 21, 22 is the answer. Okay, guys? Okay, so let's do another kind of questions. If I have here, this one is very easy. 4 feet plus 2 feet, 6 feet. 7 yard plus 9 yard is what? Is 16 yard. Okay, 16. Okay, and what else do you have here, guys? I have here another kind of questions. Yes, greater than, less than, or equal. Remember, if you want to here compare between two different units, I have to make them the same. So here I have feet and inches. How can we convert the feet into inches? Okay, guys, I have here, as I told you, 5 2/3 feet, 65 inches. How can I compare between them? First of all, we have feet and inches. We have to make here the unit alike, the units alike. Okay, but remember, we have here mixed. So also we're going to convert the mixed into improper. 5 times 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17 over 3 feet, and we write it like this, and we have here 65 what? Inches. Remember together how many inches in 1 feet? I have in 1 feet 12 inches. In 1 feet how many, guys? 12 inches. We have to study this very well. So I have here to convert the feet into inches. So I'm going to multiply 17 over 3, multiply what? Multiply 12. So divided 3, 1, 12 divided 3, 4. 4 times 17, 4 times 17 Okay, 68. 4 times 17, 68. So you have here what, guys? We have here 68. This is 68 feet, 68 inches, 68 inches, and this is 65 inches. Which is greater? The 68 inches. It's very easy. What about number 16? Let's here answer this. 4,000 feet, and we have here what, guys? 3/4 miles. So I have to make the units alike. How can I solve this? If I know that 1 mile equal, okay, guys, I know that 1 mile equals what? 5,280 feet. Okay, so I will here convert what? The miles or the feet? Which is easier? We have here the miles is greater. Is greater unit, not greater number, greater unit. So greater unit multiply. So I will convert the mile into what? Into feet. 3/4 miles multiply what? Multiply this number 5,280. Okay, so I can get here to I can convert it into what? Into, yes, into here feet. Okay, divided by, let's here do it by what? Simplifying. Divided by, let's see, can we do it by here 2? It gives me 2. And here this number by 2, it gives me 5 divided 2, 2. And I have here 12, 12 divided 2, 6. And I have here 8 divided 2, 4. And then the 0. So I've got here 2,640. We have something common list still? Yes. Divided to 1 and divided to 1 divided to 3 divided to 2 and the 0. So I have here 1,320 and times 3. So I'm going to here do what? Multiply them together. 1,320 multiplies what, guys? Multiplies 3. I write it for you to make sure we do this in our exam. 3 times 2, 6, and we have the 0, 3, the 0, and we have 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 1, 3. So here 3,960. 3,960. Which is greater, guys? Here 4,000 is greater. Very easy and very interesting, right? Okay. We have also, guys, another kind of questions, and is very important if he asks me to order the measurements from least to greatest. We have feet, yard, inches, inches, feet. Feet and inches in the same here. 5 feet and 3 inches. Remember, we can't do it like this. We have to make the same unit. We have to make it the same unit. A recipe for Caesar dressing calls for 3/4 cup of olive oil, 3/4 cup of olive oil. Convert the amount of the olive oil to fluid ounces. Okay, we have here in cups. You want to convert the cups into ounces. Very easy question. So we have, remember, 1 cup, we have taken this in the PowerPoint presentation. 1 cup equal how many ounces? Yeah, 8 ounces. So 8 ounces. So, and this is the abbreviation. 1 cup, 1C. So I have here how many cups? 3/4 cup. Okay, the cup is the greater unit. Please know that here, not the number, the greater unit. The cup is greater than the ounces here. Okay, so 1 cup, the greater unit, will multiply to convert the here the in from cup to ounces. So I'm going to multiply 3/4 times 8 divided 8 divided 4 gives me 1, divided 4 gives me 2. 2 times 3 here is 6. So 3/4 cup is 6 ounces. 3/4 cup is what, guys? 6 ounces. So, guys, Please do this as homework, the last one here, to compare between here. He asks you the names of the three longest suspension bridges in the United States, and he gives you here which bridge is the longest. I gives you here the information with yards, feet, and inches, so we convert into just one watt, one unit. Please do it as a homework. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, my dear students.